chemical storage.
Look, there's rocks.
Ooh, what? What? This looks fun. So, this is it. Right behind me we have the highlight of this place. It's a beautiful autopsy table. Apparently they had an auditorium for people to come and watch as they chopped up dead bodies. Someone pooped. What? Does it have a name on it?
On the back.
Yeah, it has a name. It says.
Oh, cool.
I guess it says a patient.
We'll have to redact that.
Yeah, it says the patient number.
Whoa, there's so many.
Yeah.
I feel like we shouldn't play with these.
Probably not.
Wonder how many of them have AIDS.
I mean, it's you can't still get it. Like it wouldn't be alive after like that long.
No.
Go ahead, lick one.
You deck a dog dare me.
I deck a dog dare you. You won't.
You're right. Not habitable. It's chemical storage. Look, there's rocks.
Ooh, what? What?
This is someone's house. No. This person collects rocks.
Interesting. Look how neatly organized they are.
Yeah, right?
We're back here.
This is kind of cool.
It's like the only friends of the rocks take like those like.
They have little bits of glass too.
Like cool glass.
Yeah. Probably not.
They are so neatly organized.
Yeah.
Probably like that yourself.
No,
This is
yeah.
Totally
Look,
solid
there's
stuff.
bananas down there.
This is whack.
Bananas,
This is all
potatoes,
rocks. Did
onions.
they cook on them or something? This is really weird.
I think it's like an OCD kind of thing. They just like
Yeah.
collect rocks and neatly
Oh,
organize
Merry
them.
Christmas. Heck
Yeah,
yeah.
they're gonna come back and show us because we're trying to rock collection.
Oh,
This is like horror movie shit. Like gorilla. It smells really
Yeah, let's go up this way. There's a path.
So as I was saying, it was interesting seeing the room with the rocks because this person is probably homeless, and you wouldn't think, I guess, that a homeless person has this like in the back of their minds, but it looked like this person, like this is what like he looks for, you know, or he looks forward to finding a rock. It's like, oh, this one probably fits in my collection.
Whatever he gets them from.
Yeah, right.
And like, what's up with the pee bottles? That's something I never understood. Like, why people keep their pee.
Oh God.
Bare grills. That's so nasty. Like, imagine like drinking it like stale ass pee.
Oh,
Ass
no. Even if it wasn't stale.
Yeah, true. Like, I mean, regular pee is not too bad, but
Do you have experience, huh?
it's stale, you know, it's like milk. You can't let it go bad.
Uh-huh. It sounds like you know some stuff, huh?
I mean, yeah. No. Definitely not. Laughs nervously.